wait. Wait lang ha. Uh, Questions? Yes, Chad? Ay, basin gusto mo mag-screenshot sa katungkuhan ganina na? Screenshot sa siguro siya while I check kung how should I define null clients.
Ay, di ba nag-share ang Jamboard, sir?
Gi-share na ni siya, gi-share. You can access this anytime. Na ako lang gi-kuan, pag open ako ani murag send raw email sa inyo. Kita sa null clients sa kanang nindot ko na nindot sa pula. Okay. Sige. Before I define null clients lang siguro, I'll show you the exact example na. I'll show you an example. Let's consider the Lotka-Volterra model again. Okay, so Lotka-Volterra ta balik. Okay, sabi ha. Okay. Two-dimensional case lang sa ta. No? We'll just restrict our null clients to the 2D case. Okay, 2D case lang sa ta. Okay. Null client is would look like this. Isa ka P, then isa ka H, or pwede sa interchangeable na siya. Okay? Ang null client, for example, in the 2D case, nam kay duha ka equations. Na, ang null client is the graph of dpdh equals 0. So mura siya, when you equate this to 0, kuha mo ang value ni P in terms of H or H in terms of P. In this case, since H man ang naadiri sa vertical, then this will be better if H in terms of P. Okay? So for example, when we set this to 0, we'll have AP minus BPH equals 0. So AP equals BPH. Therefore, H equals A over B. H equals A over B. Makita ang H over B. Okay? How does A over B look like if you graph it? A over B is just like an ana, di ba? Constant ra siya. Do you agree? Mura siya kan nani. Ang imong x-axis ay P, imong y-axis kay H. So, ang imong H ana ra siya. Okay, sige.
A over B na siya, sir.
Yeah, okay. If I divide this by BP, makancel si P, so mabilin H equals A over B. So,
Sir.
Okay. And then, let's have this second equation. Ato sa na siyang equate to 0. So, we'll have CPH minus DH equals 0. So, in terms of H, gihapon ta ha. So, we will have CP minus D times H equals 0. Okay, I'm not sure kung saan. Maybe in terms of P lang siguro. In terms of P, okay, vertical line, manggoday siya. We will have CPH equals DH. Therefore, P equals D over C. P equals D over C meaning constant ang P. Yan sa may naong if constant ang P, Di ba it's a vertical line? Ana. Okay? Now, ini-graph nimo, the most important thing here is the intersection. Okay? Ang kani siyang horizontal, kani siyang blue, sometimes that's not really horizontal, sometimes inana yang now, no, na siya lain now. Something like that. Okay. Unsay meaning ani niyang intersection? In the intersection, we have both dpdh equals 0 and then ang isa is ang dh/dt sad nimo equals 0. Di ba? Ang kaninga line, mo ni siya nga line ang mga points, no, mo ni siya ang mga initial values nga nakasatisfy sa dh/dt equals 0. Ang kaning blue, mo ni siya ang set of initial values nga makasatisfy sa dpdt equals 0. So what do you think is the intersection? What's the intersection?
Katong A over B of B over C.
Yeah. So that is the intersection, di ba, is both dpdt and dh/dt are equal to 0. Unsa may tawag na to ana if both of these are 0?
Katong
Itawag ta na siya steady state. Okay? So ang kaning null lines, the intersection of null lines, kani mo na gitawag mga null lines. The intersection of null lines is actually a steady state. Okay? So mo na siya gamit sa null lines, no? It gives you the steady states graphically.
Kanang at all times jud na siya, sir. May intersection status.
Yeah, always, no, but it does not give you all possible steady states. Mole problem niya. Okay? It could give you some steady states, but it could not give you all steady states. Okay, for example, kaning di ba duham ni kabog steady states ang kaning DPD, kaning Bacca Volterra, namte katong 0 0. Pero kani usa ra yang natag. Okay, masa na disadvantage sa null line. Yeah. But the question is always bias. Always yun na siya. Ang intersection is a steady state. Okay, and then napani siya laing kuan. Napani siya laing meaning na pero di na lang nato ikan. Actually makahatag pa ni siya story like if your solution starts here, makaana pa na siya, maka-describe pa na siya kung magtuyok-tuyok ba siya na nga steady state ana. Okay, kanapam ni siya yung mga arrows. Actually, pwede ra sa timong kuan, pwede ra sa timong nga butangan. For example, saan ni siya? Usually mag-substitute ta og value. Ana. Pero sige lang, anyway, din na nato siya i-explore. Basta for now, ang ato lang gamit, daghan pa siya kuan ang null lights, daghan pa siya purpose. Makipakita niyo eh. Ato ta sa Google. Itatagi sa kakuan. Null lights. Sa minute example ani. Okay, for example, kani siya. Ani. Using kani siya kaning mga graph, kaning blue, kanang kuan are null lines, then using that ma-describe nimo ang behavior sa kuan sa function sa function with respect to that steady state. Kaning mga intersection daw. The intersection is a steady state. Okay, same lang yapon. So using null lines, if improve pa tan, if we have more time, we could discuss pa, then we will be able to tell unsay naana niya nga steady state. Okay, so for example, kani they were able to describe na oscillatory siya. Yeah, mo ni ang behavior sa oscillation. Okay? Kita pa taglain null lines din. Kani. So we have null lines here pero wala siya steady state. Kaya null line kani o kani siya pero murag wala na siya wala ra siya steady states. Okay? So mo siya kanindot if kibaw hindi kaya siya tanawon if kanang ma-program jud na to ba ato jud siyang i-enter kanang MATLAB or Mathematica nga makita jud ninyo siya sa behavior sa system using null lines. Itan kani ana. So null lines kaning blue ug kaning black man yang null line. So na siya murag steady state diri and then money behavior sa solution. Okay? So anyway, we will not be studying that anymore. What I just want you to achieve is you should be able to produce an alkaline given a model. Okay? So your other activity, this will now be the last activity for the entire class, is produce the alkaline. There will be three. Produce the alkalines of the SIR model. Okay? So kada lang, that's going to be the last activity. Any questions? Ay, by the way, nari ko yung reminder kayo magtrabaho na dyan, nabi ako pa doon. I've been receiving emails na mag-submit sa work kanina, attachment lang. Attachment lang. He said, in the workplace that's considered as a no-no. No, ayaw dyan siya yun, anak. Mag-send kayo mag-email, butang yun siya subject, ya butang yun sa check message nga, please see attach, anak, ay, gusto nga, attachment lang, may butang, no nga, walay letter, walay subject. Ayaw dyan, okay, that's considered as discourteous in the workplace. Okay? So, next time, butangin siya message, butangin siya subject. Sa ako, okay ra. Okay, understand. Hindi pa pass naman ako. Pero, when you email, especially formal siya nga message, butangin siya letter, and then butangin siya subject. Okay? Sige. Any questions? Okay, I think there are none. So that's
When ang deadline, sir?
kanas aman because your grades manggod are being requested na. Pwede na tag 20 ato yung deadline. All the activities 20 na to. Iset na tag 20 para makasubmit na ko grades immediately after that. Okay na 20. No reactions. Okay, so we will have it at 20. That would be all for today. If you have no more questions, that would be all. Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
So, bye-bye. I'll close the room now.